Michael Turley with Rolling Lawns Farm here in Greenville, Illinois. The journey for Rolling Lawns Farm started in 1910 with my great-grandfather, and we've been on it ever since. I'm fourth generation. I think with any family business, you never want it to end on your watch. We've milked cows on our farm every morning and every night for 111 years. We haul the fresh milk every other morning from the farm up to the milk house for us to process it. So if you've never seen milk being processed, if you've never met a cow, we can take care of both of those bucket list items if they're on your list. We make the traditional whole 2% skim milk, but we really have fun with the flavors. So chocolate milk is our best seller, and we make strawberry milk, an orange cream milk, which is you would anticipate would taste like a dreamsicle, and then fun cappuccino flavored milk with more flavors on the way. As someone who makes the product and sees the process all the way through, there can't be anything more gratifying than the smile on a child's face when they're enjoying one of our products. People have been so supportive, and it makes us excited with what's possible beyond just the milk production and the ice cream production we're doing here, but what we can expand on from a tourism standpoint. But we want the quality to be there every time. The moment of truth happens every time someone's experiencing our product, and we want to earn that with each product that people consume. So we hope we're at it a long time, and we just can't thank everyone enough for their support.